and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I am going to let my dog Shay Shay pick out my deep conditioner mask. I have two masks. I have the Razul Clay Softening Hair Mask by Carol's Daughter, and I have the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Replenish and Strength Hair Mask. Has no sulfate and no mineral oil. So I had bought this a couple of months ago, and I wanted to do a review on them, but I didn't know which one I wanted to do first. So I said, well, I'll let Shay Shay pick it out. I just got home from work, so that's why she's sitting here and she wants to love me. You want to love your mama? You want to love your mama? She wants to love me. Oh, shit. Oh, no, don't lick me. No. Oh, God. Ooh. Yeah, this is what we do. We love each other. Don't we, girl? Well, you're going to have to pick out one of these masks to see which one I'm going to do as a review. Would you? No. She cannot help herself. Stop it. That's nasty. She cannot help herself. She has to lick. She has to love. All right, Shay Shay. Let's pick out the hair mask. Okay, get down. Come here. Now, which one do you like the most? I'm just gonna give her let her sniff each one. See which one she sniffs the most. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but Shay Shay, come here. Where are you going, girl? Okay. We need you to pick out which one you like. Which one? Hey, look, Shay Shay. Which one you like? You like this one? Or you like this one? Well, we'll go with this one since she went to this one first. This is the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Hair Mask. So we'll just go with that. Okay? Okay. I don't know what the big thing is. All you have to do is just pick out one. I got on my couch. You want to just love your mama, don't you? You don't want to pick out another. I'm going to put it in my hair. Okay, guys, so go get that ball. Go get the ball. Where's the ball? Shay Shay, where's the ball? Yay! I call all of her toys balls. So she doesn't know the difference between a ball and toys. She just knows that all of her toys are called balls. Bring me your ball. Here. Give the ball. Speak. Ball. Well, okay. So, anyway, I'm going to get out this monkey suit, relax for a while, eat, take a shower, and I'll be back in a few hours. Okay? Okay. Okay? Okay. Okay? Okay. Hey! Hey! Speak! Yeah! Speak 2 times! That ain't 2, that's 1. That's good enough. See you guys!